Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and effective protein milkshake. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to blending for the perfect consistency. Protein milkshakes are a fantastic way to boost your protein intake, whether you're an athlete or just looking for a healthy snack. They're quick, customizable, and can be a tasty part of your daily routine. Let's get started on crafting your ideal shake. The foundation of any great protein milkshake starts with the right ingredients. First, pick your protein powder. Whey is popular, but plant-based options are excellent too. Next, choose your liquid base. Milk, water, or almond milk all work well. For flavor, fresh or frozen fruits, a tablespoon of cocoa powder or a dash of vanilla extract are great choices. Don't forget healthy fats like a spoonful of peanut butter for extra creaminess and nutrients. Achieving that perfect, smooth consistency is key. Start by adding your liquid to the blender first. This helps prevent the powder from sticking. Then, add your protein powder, followed by any fruits, ice, or other mix-ins. Blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until everything is completely smooth. If it's too thick, just add a little more liquid. For a colder, thicker shake, toss in a few extra ice cubes. Now for the fun part, customization. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations. Try adding a pinch of cinnamon, a few mint leaves, or even a shot of espresso. For an extra nutritional punch, blend in a handful of spinach, a tablespoon of chia seeds, or some rolled oats. You can even prep your ingredients the night before for a super fast morning shake. Enjoy creating your perfect protein milkshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.